हाँ हाँ हॅलो हा दादा काय करू? प्रियंका आहे किती घरी? मला वाटलं माझं बोलायचं देत होतं. Yeah, good evening everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Any queries from your side? Whoever it is, from everyone. Just let me know. Let us start an example regarding layers and finish today the AutoCAD.
हेलो।
Yeah, hello.
हाँ सर, कोई प्रोजेक्ट होने वाला है क्या अपना ऑटो कैड पे?
AutoCAD पे
कोई प्रोजेक्ट होने देने वाले हो क्या? मतलब प्रोजेक्ट के लिए है क्या अपना?
प्रोजेक्ट तो है. 1 मिनट. इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट या सिविल?
इलेक्ट्रिकल सर.
Electrical ka better inquire us regarding. Okay. Currently, have you made the models which I provided to you? PDF फाइल दिखाया था ना आपको?
हाँ
सर ने
हाँ
दिया.
सर. हाँ हाँ मिला
वो
है सर.
because वो एक if you are able to do those all models in electrical ना, that is the first step to practice.
ओके सर.
Okay, that is most important. उसमें सब कुछ है. You can see, and also those all models are not that much easy, isn't it?
हाँ हाँ सर.
And company में भी इस तरह ही रहता drawings, no changes in it. Okay?
यस 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 सर.
Yeah. If you have any queries in the tools, whatever it is, just let me know and let us do regarding an example for layers. Okay? Layers make example, let us finish. एक model है ना, at starting I have explained on that product. Let us finish that entire model with the help of layers. Okay,
हम
and
सर कोई ऑर्थो में आप ड्रॉ किया है सिंगल 2 प्लेन में, तो उसको 3D में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं हम.
3D भी चाहिए क्या आपको?
हाँ हाँ
Actually
सर.
3D mechanical used to prefer. Electrical का कोई जरूरत नहीं, लेकिन I will explain you 3D. Okay?
ओके सर.
3D का tools I will finish. क्योंकि कंपनी में भी no one will work in 3D for AutoCAD. क्योंकि as per my experience we won't go 100% output. In the case each and every model we cannot do in AutoCAD. Only just simple models. Just time pass के लिए 3D रहता, that's it. AutoCAD में बहुत critical models रहता उससे. Plastic, if you are taking a sheet metal, those we cannot do it in AutoCAD. वैसा रहता. इसलिए only 2D के लिए AutoCAD is preferred.
सर मैंने कटिया का कोर्स भी किया था ना, तो उसमें डायरेक्टली 3D में
exactly. CATIA is the best. CATIA और SolidWorks whatever you are choosing, that is the best for 3D. इसमें कर सकता, लेकिन आपको 100% आउटपुट मिलने के लिए कैसा इमेजिनेशन फर्स्ट स्टेप चाहिए. Got it?
यस यस.
I will explain. Got it? इसलिए I will explain a few tools. Okay? And other than that, anything else more regarding queries, whatever it is, let me know. And the main backlog shall I tell here in my software, it is Autodesk LT version na. LT में 3D बनाने के लिए चांसेस नहीं। आपका किसी का अदर देन LT है तो स्क्रीन शेयर कर लो। लेट अस मेक 1 or 2 3D मॉडल्स। ओके, जस्ट इवन वन एग्जांपल। स्क्रीन शेयर किया तो मेरे लैपटॉप में आई एम अनेबल टू
सर मेरा
इंस्टॉल।
ऑटोकैड 2017 है सर।
मेरा भी 2017 है, लेकिन AutoCAD में कैसा टू टाइप्स इट विल बी। आई विल शेयर द स्क्रीन।
क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3D का कोई एक मतलब 3D मॉडलिंग शो कर रहा है मुझे सर।
या आपको शो कर रहे हैं लेकिन मुझको नहीं शो कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है, मैं
तो
आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ मेरा सर।
मुझको later on at last let us make that 3D. Okay,
ओके सर।
if required tomorrow one more day let us arrange for 3D. Okay, कैसा इंटरनेट का स्पीड अच्छा है तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं। डे फॉर स्टडी हैव सीन ना कैसा हैंग होता स्क्रीन शेयर में, वैसा हुए तो
हाँ सर।
प्रॉब्लम हो जाता। ओके,
यस यस सर।
इज माय स्क्रीन विजिबल टू एवरीवन?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
And one, I didn't receive any queries from your side to my mail ID. So, and among you, one member has inquired regarding the okay, fine. I am sharing. Already I shared yesterday once more. Okay, have my mail ID and send me that DWG file. And आपका किसी का कुछ query है ना सिविल इंजीनियर का regarding hidden lines, just send me that model. That will be advantage for you. Your query will be solved. And let us open the electrical. Let us make the layers. आप if see like this, we have single at bottom. Rather than this model, in below model we have 4 to 5 models. See, इस तरह चार है. If you are going to this na, this all na, it looks similar together. Got it? I hope from my side. CT1 630 by 5, 630 by 5. These all. Is it visible for everyone? This entire symbols, each and everything looks similar for this and this. Okay? If like that it is there na, no worries. Directly convert this entire thing into group. Okay? How? Select the group and select the entire model. Okay, and again select enter. This group has created. Directly you can drag it, copy कर सकते. Okay, in go to group manager. Better name the group. Select the group. First name it. Select these all. Again, select enter. Select yes. Enter. Group 01 has been created. If you are mentioning name, that will be advantage. Okay. Group manager, you can see group 1. At that time, I didn't provide a name, so it was blank like this. This will be advantage. And similarly, we can copy this single into as many we require. Shortcut is CO. Enter. Select the object. Enter. And now specify the proper distance. Select this and it saves your entire time, whatever the model you are making. Okay, you can provide the distance, proper distance. Here I am making just blindly. Okay, don't do that. Specify proper distance and finish the output. If you are imagining that this part you have made entirely perfectly, then later on you can copy to the remaining side. From here, this entire part. Or at last you can make these lines, it will get connected directly. Okay, here see 4 there. If there are any changes of letters, these all, you can ungroup it and edit it, no issue. In the case, entire model is same, but if you want to change the symbols or whatever, just minor changes are there, na, then you can ungroup it directly. See, this one is in group, this all remaining is in ungroup. This is automatically. See, got it? You can edit easily. You can change as per your requirement. Okay, I'm deleting this all. So let's finish the remaining. Enter. Provide 90 degrees. Enter. One is enough. Remaining you can make it offset. Sorry. Enter. Select the offset distance. 20. Enter. Here it is extended mode, no issue. In that case, better make a line at the bottom. Extend. if required, you can trim it later on, no issue. Again offset, OFF enter, select the distance, 50 enter, 4, again enter, and here we need to trim, yeah, enter, so enter, now it's time to connect as per the model. Okay, individual again, enter. Now, just make a rectangle window, smaller. Let's cross check the symbol. Do we get this or not? I'm not sure how it looks. View, tools palette, make it all. Address here, architecture, electrical. We don't look this symbol, we are not getting this. Center one I hope. Specify. Like this. With the help of scale, pressing enter. Enter. It's not okay, fine. Leave the symbol. I will arrange manual process in my method. Zero, enter. Select this, enter. Put this center point to here. To here, we can copy like this directly. No worries. You will get the perfect output. Okay. No worries regarding these all. At last, you can hatch it. Okay. We still lines lateral, and at this, better leave it. Remaining these lines, I will let you know directly. Extend these lines. I'll make only 2 connections. These 3 and these 3. Okay, because it takes more time. So like that. And provide 90 degrees. Okay, if the angularity is perfect, I will get perfect output. Offset, enter. Select the distance to 10, enter. Specify this and provide. Specify this. 3. This side, let me press. I want to delete this rectangle or reduce the size. Enter. Like this. Only 3 are there now. That is enough. Here. Uh, TR, enter. It's time to trim whatever we need, whatever we not need, and now here, over the proper continuity, and again enter. Okay, again next three, not required to do these lines. Select CO, enter. Select these objects, again select enter. From this, entire setup will get dragged. But make sure that 55, enter. Okay, it went to left side. Okay, save it, delete this. Again, you can redo it. CO, enter. Select these two lines, enter. Now from here, you can select error, provide distance. I'm selecting here. Okay, and escape. See, same as it is. No issue. And this we need to increase up to here. From this side, this line is up to here. This one is up to here. For that connection, EX, enter. Select these all, enter. Select this line. Escape. That's enough. Okay. Now again, this circles. For that, copy. CO, enter. Select this, enter. Rather than using, rather than always chasing, just cross-checking each and every tool, it is better to do this easy and smart and sweet and short way. Correctly. One thing. Switch off grid and switch off snap. Post snap it is there, it will directly select the endpoint. Like this. This side, escape. I'm coming to next. This will leave it. I will make up to here currently. I'll enter. Like this. I'll make it to 150. Enter. Escape. And here this side. Enter. Like this. Enter. Single point. Okay. Select directly the endpoints. Escape. Now these symbols we have directly in inbuilt. This also we have, I hope. Let's see for these symbols. Let me cross check. Taken yesterday. let everything be by layer. Now, symbol, make a rectangle, and I will make that in manual process here. Enter. CO, enter. Again enter. Select here, and escape. And C, enter. As I am mechanical, so I can do in any way, but I am expecting everyone better try for use the symbols if you are getting. Okay, I have experience in this, so I can make, let the model be anything else. I can create the output. I made thousands of models in this AutoCAD, so this will be easy from my side. Okay, and but challenging from your side. Okay, here enter. These are enter. Escape. Like this. Just convert this into a group. GRO, enter. First enter the name. I'm mentioning 01 as group name. First I want to copy these three. Enter. Now select this. CO, enter. Select this. Enter. Now I provide this rectangle especially only for the reference. Okay, nothing else more than that. Just it shows me proper output. It provides me. Okay, and then escape. Here I am deleting this. That is finished. Now here at last we can make, and now let us start the layers. Let us add layers for these all. Okay, multiple colors as it should. Black means let us keep it. Okay, let us make black only. Black, yellow, blue, red. Now layer properties for LAY, enter. Okay, enter this LAY, enter. Now 1, 2, 3 layers. Let us make. There are some kind of, there is something depending on this, I hope. Okay, leave it. And then we enter. Better switch off in this. Okay, leave that. Black.
Make it blue, sir.
Yeah,
RYB blue. Yes.
Exactly. One is the same. Now coming to color, convert it to blue. Okay. White, black here. This black you can see. Okay, no issue. yellow, okay, red, okay. Continuously let it be no difference, nothing equal, and then close it. As I said here, select the layer, select this one, let me cross check which color is which, black one, layer, select it black. Okay, is that finished? Then coming to next, yellow.
First one is red, sir.
First one, it is red.
Yes,
This?
black.
Okay, fine. Thank you. No issue. You can directly change like this. Red one. Okay. Next one. Select this line. Select here. Blue. Blue is frozen. Came to hidden. Mistakenly touched there. And finally it is black. Now over this. Just now select the match properties and select the red and then this red and connect to these lines. If you are making this one perfectly, everything will get perfect. Okay, no worries. And again next, select match properties, yellow. Select the yellow and it is connected to here. Let it be connected anywhere else. You can just cross check this. Just follow this line. This yellow is followed here also. And I continue to here. Okay. For here there are no colors. We need to trim here. Okay. For trimming, I place like this because while trimming like always. And again, blue. Select this blue. Select this and this. There is no connectivity for blue. Yeah, there is a connectivity, but I have trimmed. Okay, I'm not aware of. I'm not even from mechanical. So electrical. Now let us extend. No issue. EX enter. First change the layer to normal because this is in normal. Okay, if you are placing in blue now, it will convert into blue. So once if you have made these all layers now, you need to be careful. EX enter, select these all, again enter. Now we'll select the lines which we want to extend. So escape. So next, is this connected to here only? Yeah, here.
Move the circle, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Before that, let me trim the unwanted areas. CO, enter. Select this circle, enter, and directly from center to center. And again, this center. That's enough. This circle you can delete it directly. Okay, that's it. This is up to here. This is up to here. Okay, that's it. Now select the match properties from this view. So in this way you can find the errors easily. See how I face the error, small mistake, wirings like that. Now finally left is black. Match properties. Select this earthing one, black. Got it? And this is also black. Is this black? From here it is black. You can see up to here it is in same. In that way, no worries. We can make that also. These are up to n lines. These three black. enter. Small rectangle. Here, enter. Select this job, enter. Now it's time to send it. Here, enter. Select this job, enter. This connection need to get cut off. Why should the remaining?
Inside circle also or why we have to change?
Yeah, actually it is inbuilt, na. See, it is an inbuilt, na.
Before you
That is what.
sir, blue like that you change it, no? The properties like that you went to there and change it, sir.
Before? Yeah, tell me. I am not getting your query. Repeat it.
We can't change it, this one or maybe
This one. We can. We
yeah.
need to go to properties. At last, let us see. Okay. Let me finish these all remaining. This black color. These all.
Yes.
Now, match properties. Select the black. See. It is in black only, but it is not showing. Got it? If I am selecting, see, layer is coming in black. That means this is in black color only, but I will change the entire thing. And then we need to trim this internal lines, whatever it is. Here, see, there are no lines. We need to trim this. Here, enter. Okay, it's not required. Here, enter. Select this up, enter. Trim the upper one and all them bottom one. Remaining, okay, by selecting delete, it will delete directly. Escape. These things you can do it manually. No issue. Because once we lost the connection, then no worries.
कस्टम कलर्स में चेंज करना है ना यहाँ पे, कलर्स में, कस्टम में जाके कलर्स में जाके फिर ये चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना,
क्या
ये
चेंज
ब्लू।
करना है? ये ब्लू क्लियर नहीं,
हाँ
we can add layers also. See here BI mentioned ना directly that ये कैसा, this is an inbuilt ना which we have chosen from this inbuilt layer, that means this is made, but without blue blindly there is no one. एक ही है हमारे पास, that one is only blue directly.
Yes, sir.
Inbuilt blue लिखा था, put it like this white inbuilt mention. Yeah. 1 2 नहीं चाहिए तो just delete this 1 2. Description blue. Okay, if we are mentioning directly, here it comes. By directly inbuilt blue haze. Text options में भी नहीं दिख रहा हमको delete करने के लिए वो. If I am deleting that ना, it will delete entirely. So I placed it. इसको delete select किया तो it will delete. Here see, it is showing. Text annotation is showing here. Whatever we are making. Where is no preference? We cannot change. If you want this, we can make manually. No issue. Okay, this circuit with the help of 2-point circuit.
Sir, we can do
Okay.
actually
एक
we
कर
can, actually we can do, sir, by go into properties of that symbol, and simply by in customs menu we can change the blue to red and white, whatever we want.
changing colors is not I'm telling. I'm telling that I want to share you that here see there is a blue now. We can see. I want to delete that blue. Here in properties I can't see that because it is an inbuilt now. It is just as a
Sir, that is I want to tell you, sir. Actually, here the one custom menu is, if you scrolling down here, please scroll down here. No, in properties. Yes, properties, scrolling down. Here you if you change
color blue.
if you change the color, it will change simply color. Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah, got it. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I hope you are from electrical.
Yes, sir. I'm from electrical. I'm practicing it, so that's why
you have
I know.
experience. Fine, fine. Then no issue. Thank you.
Okay.
Because we didn't use these all. That became a problem for me. Okay.
Okay,
No
sir.
issue.
No issue.
Okay, thank you.
No, that, sir, I was asking, so that I tell you simply. No.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Because coming to mechanical like this, it won't be. Okay.
Okay.
We won't use this symbol. Directly we used to do drafting whatever we have.
Yes.
No. Okay, fine. See here armies you can provide red as you have seen. Our sir said. Right click properties. Color yellow. Due to properties. Let's do blue and fine. In this way, you can here symbol they provided, here this. Okay, remaining all text directly you can enter. Okay, no issue. Up to here, any queries in these all? And see, if you are offering the any layer na, like if I am offering the entire black connection get hidden. If I am offering the red, blue, red if I am offering, entire red will get lost. Red has. If I am offering yellow, entire yellow has lost. This is the advantage. Here see, one more line is there that I didn't delete it. Like this you can see, even though if you are deleting, that will be advantage. Later on you can add the layer, go to layers, yellow. See, this is the output which we will get easily. Up to here, any queries coming to electrical? department.
Sir, actually,
Backline is hidden.
during transparency,
Backline is, yeah, during
during
transparency.
transparency, simply we can also symbol also we can hide, na sir?
Yeah, the symbol we can hide, but with transparency we can even see. Let us provide transparency for this.
Mhm.
Okay, see. Select this, only this if I want to transparency. Don't go to layer, okay? Only select this, go to properties, increase the transparency, escape. And as I said, you mandatory, your transparency need to be on.
Yeah.
Got it? You can see this, but by comparing with beside part, it will be mostly hidden like that, nearly. Okay?
My question is not that, sir. My question is, if I want to hide only R phase, simply here is the
R phase.
red line circuit. So in
Okay.
that way, that symbol was not hidden. At the
This
time
symbol,
of,
because I didn't connected this into layer. Got it?
so that
Hmm?
that was my question.
Exactly. See, this is in which layer? White color layer. If I'm hiding this one, turn the color layer off. If I'm hiding this layer, this is what? Remaining everything is in white. I didn't converted this into layers, no? We can connect, we can hide also, no issue, okay? But before that, we need to convert that into red layer, okay? Because here it is white. I placed it white because of here also it looks like black color nearly. This is not in red color, no? That is what I placed in that way. Okay, nothing. That is not an issue. You can even text also you can hide. If you are making a normal text, you can make each and everywhere individually. Later them, go to properties. Sorry, go to match properties and select just color and this directly. Now if I am hiding, now once more. If I am hiding this, got it?
Yes, sir.
Both sides, red got hidden. No issue regarding that. Okay.
Sir, the asset is also can be the light fitting. You can also add in the layers because that is you made manually, sir.
This one.
light fitting. Yes.
Light fittings. Yeah.
Yes.
These light fittings. What?
Not that, sir.
This
Here
one.
is this one.
This one we can convert into layer. This is it by directly inbuilt this layer, na? If I am hiding this, turn the current layer off. We can provide. Select the match properties. Select this and select the red. Match properties. Yellow. Yellow. Entire color will get changed. Okay.
Okay.
Match properties. Yellow. So let us make
Fine,
this also.
fine.
I am not aware that it must and should be in blue only. Okay. As in the model I shown, I have seen in that same way I made. Got it? Like this. Even this also you can change in layers, no issue. Match properties, blue if you need, as per your requirement. If it is mandatory for blue, provide blue. This will get changed entirely in blue and it will also hide as per the layer. For example, if I am hiding the blue layer, hidden entirely blue layer along with the bottom. Okay? Yes. Everything is same remaining. No change. Here I need to make symbols now. It takes more time to make that. Inbuilt I don't have also. Okay, leave that. This one. Okay. Okay, leave it. But no issue. Output will be manually. This is what we have already ready made. If required, we can place this directly.
Sir, last time you told me, you told us we can add the symbols, more symbols manually. Can you do over one symbols only for the example purpose? Then we will add other symbols.
Manual symbol. In the case, see, this one we made it manually and converted to group.
No, not that, sir. Not this, sir. From the internet, we can download in palettes.
From internet we can download. Actually, that is from Autodesk. I will search the link. Okay, I will just cross check. Okay, I need to search, and I will let you know regarding that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, movement in across the graph smoothly. How, sir? I only magnify or close like with this roller in the mouse.
Graph.
How you
didn't-
accurately shift from one point to the other point with the help of mouse?
Just in that way. Okay. For these symbols, what? For that, see, I said you O snap must and should be an O snap. F3. Select the option F3. At starting itself, I said these all. Do you remember F3? I said you on off.
Yes.
F3. Select O snap first. OS NAP. Okay. Enter. Everything you need to select all. In vast cases, no, it won't get selected for everyone. Select these all on and then okay. Whenever you are moving this now, I have hidden the grid mode and snap mode. Why? It will select automatically. If I am CO, just a minute. CO, enter. If I am selecting this, enter. See, it is my cursor is directly selecting to the end points. You got it? And here
Yes,
I am sure that I won't get perfect power. See, it is selecting there itself. If I am moving bottomwards, it is going to entirely touch bottom, not here. For that, I will off these two. Automatically, it will select here. Got it? See. Again, CO, enter. Only you need to select this, enter. Now, select this center point and see. No disturbance for me, na? Got it? Directly, perfectly, I can go. I got this because of switching of the snap and grid mode. But this must and should be on with the properties. OS NAP, enter. These all must be on. If I'm clearing these all, okay. Now see how the output I will get. CO, enter. Select this, enter. See, is it highlighting? No,
No, sir, nothing.
it is not even highlighting. I need to select it. It has selected somewhere else it needs. Here also it is not highlighting. See, we have switched on this, but no use of that, na? Okay. So this is most important, selection of these all. Now it will get highlighted. CO, enter. Select this, enter. Select this center point and the next center point. Escape. That's it. And lateral snap mode. Once if you are becoming expert now, you won't use grid also, I am sure. Because like this you will get perfect clarity. In grid mode, rather than looking in grid mode, without grid mode, it will be best to look whatever the model you are making. After that, if you want to save this in PDF, go to here, export, PDF, electrical, save. Go where I have documents.
Sir, send that AutoCAD shortcuts also, sir.
Okay, fine. I will send. Okay. If I'm double clicking, this is what the model looks like. Got it? And you can save it in PDF also. Perfect. I will drag it in chat. Are you with mobile or
No, I'm with PC, so
PC
I can.
only, no? Okay, then that will better. It has sent. Better download it. Okay.
Sir, you just share the WhatsApp.
Yeah, I will keep in WhatsApp. 1 minute. Just be on hold. Immediately I will place it. Because if I'm going to some other work, don't forget. Just be on hold. Hey, प्रिया ह्याला घेऊन जा. Yeah, Revati, this is your model na. Here I can't see any hidden files. Yeah. Here see, if I'm selecting from bottom to up, if there is any hidden line na, we can see that. I see nothing here. Selection must and should be.
सर तुम्ही स्क्रीन प्रेझेंट करत असाल तर दिसत नाही.
एक minute. 1 minute. I will. Okay, दिसलं का?
हो सर.
ह्याच्यात बघ आता नॉर्मल मी जरी असं बॉटम न टॉप पर्यंत आलो नाही ना,
नाही सर ते नाही खालची तिकडे पोर्च मधली म्हणजे खाली
का?
हा ते हा ती
ती जर सिलेक्ट केलं ना आपल्याला काय इथं बघ
हा.
ब्लिंक होतोय ना. ब्लिंक मीन सिलेक्ट झालं म्हणून. हिडन असलेली तिथं पण ब्लिंक होणार. थोडं तरी हिंट भेटेल ग्रीन कलर मध्ये. आपल्याला कसलंही ब्लिंक नाही भेटतंय.
सर ते खाली जो बॉक्स दिसतो ना हा बॉटमला गेलेला तो एक लाईन दिसते खाली बॉक्स सारखी. हा ती लाईन वर क्लिक केल्यावर आहे ना तो एक तो हिडन मध्ये. हा हा तो
ही हिडन मध्ये आहे का?
हा हा आणि तिकडे पण दिसते हिडन म्हणजे हिडन नाही डॉटेड मध्ये.
ओके, या डॉटेड मध्ये आहे.
हा
त्याचा प्रॉब्लेम काय येतोय?
ती डॉटेड मध्ये दिसतच नाहीये जेव्हा आपण प्लॅन मध्ये पाहतो तेव्हा आपण.
अच्छा, तर डॉटेड मध्ये बघायचं आहे ना.
हा
शायद मला असं वाटतंय त्याचा डिस्टन्स किती आहे. मला वाटलं हाईट झालं म्हणून. ओके मी ह्याच्या बाबतीत क्रॉस चेक करून उद्या कळवतो. ओके आता लय उशीर झाला. यू कॅन लिव्ह
चालेल,
अँड
चालेल.
सध्या मी आपलं शॉर्टकट सगळं ह्याच्यात पेस्ट करतो. बेटर डाउनलोड एव्हरीवन. ओके
Yes.
Sir, on the group.
yeah surely now I will place it. Okay
No.
fine. You can live.